Over the last year, the FDA has approved a combination of Polatuzumab, Vedotin, and antibody-drug conjugate targeted CD79B with R-CHP based on results of a very large randomized phase 3 trial called the POLARIX trial, where patients with previously untreated large B-cell lymphoma and advanced stage or stage 2 bulky receive either frontline Polatuzumab R-CHP or R-CHOP. And patients have to have, as a reminder, an IPI of 2 or higher to be eligible for this trial, which is also reflected in the current label. In the study, the primary endpoint, that was significantly longer progression-free survival, was met, though the absolute difference was only around 7.5%, which has been a major criticism over the last few years. But what we have learned, thanks to very in-depth biological characterization performed by Dr. Asha Lizadeh at Stanford, is that for some subpopulations, such as patients who have non-GCB or ABC phenotype, consistently also with what has been shown for Polatuzumab in prior phase 1 or phase 2 single agent and combination trials, the benefit in terms of progression-free survival may be much higher than 7.5%, whereas there may be no much benefit for those who have GCB cell of origin. That makes sense, as we know that Polatuzumab Vedotin by targeting CD79B is very relevant to the B-cell receptor biology. Independently, though, from the cell of origin, those who have very high risk, large B-cell lymphoma, with an IPI of 4 or 5 may still maintain that benefit. So in our practice, and this of course needs to be validated prospectively, we definitely like to select this regimen for patients who have non-GCP subtype with an IPI of 2 or higher, or those who have very high IPI independently from the cell of origin.